Welcome back to Don's Life. Welcome to the channel. Thanks for joining today. You may remember in a previous video, we unwrapped the GMC Sierra AT4. We took the camel wrap that was off the top here. We took it off of the hood. We took it off of the tailgate. Well, we have our new vinyl right here in that box, but I'm not going to show you what's in there quite yet because we have to do the daunting task of taking off everything that's going to be in the way of us doing a thorough and proper wrap job. Let's go. For this wrap to turn out amazing, we have to go the extra mile. That means removing the fender flares, fender badge, the mirrors, this badge. We actually have to take off the step because there's metal under here that's exposed and the bracket blocks it from being able to be cleaned properly. So those got to come off. Door handles got to come off. We're going to take off the rear valence. We're going to take off that fender flare. We're going to take out the tail lights, all the badges on the tailgate, and that covers most of it, but I'm sure there's more. All right, we got quite a bit done. We have the steps taken off. The ride height is quite high actually. We got our fender flares off over here. And I'm just gonna show you how easy it is to remove the door handles. I'll use this one as an example. Just pop off this cap right here. There's a Torx screw in there you have to get at. Then you just back it off. And what it's doing is there's a claw mechanism that's grabbing the handle in there. It's moving it. So I can pull this out. So you can just keep loosening it. There we go. So that's out. Now all we have to do is wiggle this forward and while we pull it out. There. Done. And then on the inside we'll have to take off the door panel to undo the wire that's holding this. So to fully remove the door handle and get that wire unclipped, we have to take off the door panel. So we have a bolt hidden in behind here. We have a bolt at the bottom here. So let's get our tools and take off this door panel. Before you unplug the harness, make sure the window's rolled up because you're going to need to access the wire in there. Now that the door handles are done, let's tackle the fender badge. All right, let's tackle these emblems with the heat gun and this little tool here. Now it's time to take off these mirrors. Now to take off the rear valence, and I do have a video on this, it's a lot more thorough. You have to undo all the bolts that are behind it. The video that I have is about tinting that third brake light. So if you want to see that, check out that past video. But really you just have to take the weather stripping down. This is for my rear facing dash cam. And then you reach your arm in here and you push down where the courtesy lamps are, and there's a couple clips there. Then you grab the front and you pull those clips out, and then we get to a bunch of bolts that we need to undo. So close. Now we have to undo the tail lights. Well, that wasn't as hard as I thought it would be. It went pretty smooth. We have the whole truck pretty much ready to go to wrap. We're gonna have to worry about things like this where I might just mask that since we have the fender flares to cover there. But that's gonna be in the next video. Definitely tune in for that. But you're probably wondering what color that we chose, so let's direct our attention to the vinyl sent over by Vinyl Frog. I'm really excited about this project. I've never used Vinyl Frog's material before, so that's gonna be fun in itself. And here's the color that we chose. We got gloss black. That's right, we're going gloss black. I'm just kidding, we're going gloss black for part of it. So you see this gloss black here. We're gonna do the 1/3 all black on the roof. So that's all gonna blend in together and match. No more camo, we're gonna go gloss black. But for the main color, we have chose gloss khaki green. I know some of you don't want to see the green. Well, too bad, this is what we're doing. We got the vinyl in front of us, so that's what it's gonna be. You gotta stick around so we can see what this is gonna look like. In the shade, in the sun, it's all gonna look different. But I'm excited, hopefully you are too. But if you like today's video and you wanna keep following this project, hit that like button. Please consider subscribing, turn on your notifications, and we'll talk to you next time. My truck is not going to like this. We don't have door panels, we don't have locks, we don't have a lot of stuff.